Very good morning, friends. Today we will be learning about one more candlestick pattern which comprises of only one candle, and that candle is a long green candle. This pattern is called a Marubozu candle. So let us learn how this works and how to trade in it. Very good morning, friends. Today we will be learning about one candlestick pattern by the name of Bullish Marubozu. Now, what a bullish Marubozu is. First of all, this is a single candlestick pattern and green in color since it is bullish. It is a continuation pattern. What I mean by continuation pattern is that if there is an uptrend and in the middle of an uptrend, if a bullish Marubozu is formed, then it depicts that the bullish trend will continue. However, if it is formed at the bottom of a downtrend, it depicts that the trend might reverse. Now, first of all, I would also like to tell you one thing about Marubozu. This Marubozu candle is a candle which has no wicks, but there are two exceptions to it, which I will be discussing in a short while. Now, though this pattern works in every market, it works best in commodity market. You might be aware about different markets like equity, F&O, forex, and commodity. So this Marubozu particularly works best in commodity market. This pattern works best when it forms at the price reaching the lower circuit. What I mean to say about lower circuit is there is a price ceiling in exchange for every stock, and if any stock hits that price ceiling, then a circuit is formed. Now, if that circuit forms at the lower level, it is called lower circuit. If it forms at the higher level, it is called higher circuit. If the price hits the lower or upper circuit on any particular day, the trading for that stock stops in the exchange. You will not be able to trade in that particular stock for that particular day. For more information on lower and upper circuits, I will be making a separate video on them. So if the price reaches the lower circuit, it is about to hit the lower circuit and a Marubozu gets formed, then a trend reversal is very strong. Now this is of three types. The first type is a bullish Marubozu which has neither an upper wick nor a lower wick. The second type of Marubozu candle is a candle wherein there is a high wick but there is no lower wick. This is called an opening bullish Marubozu. Now over here, the upper shadow, that is the wick, should not be more than 5% of the body of the candle. This is a rule which is there to distinguish it as a Marubozu candle. The third type of Marubozu is a Marubozu candle with a lower wick but no higher wick. This is called a closing bullish Marubozu. Over here also, the lower shadow should not be more than 5% of the body of the candle. Then only the candle will be called as a Marubozu. Now this is how a Marubozu looks like in a typical chart, wherein you can see that there is a very long green candle after a downtrend. Notice that the Marubozu candle has appeared at the bottom of the downtrend, and once there is a confirmation that the price has started to rise with the rise in volume as well, it is good time to enter into the stock for buying. Now we will see as to how to trade with a bullish Marubozu. After spotting this pattern, we need to wait for the price to rise above the high of the Marubozu candle, and once it crosses the high, it is time to buy. So at this point we will buy the trade. So our entry would be at around 542. Now aggressive traders can buy in the next candle, that is the very next candle after the Marubozu, and the conservative traders, they can wait for the next candle, which is the candle after the Marubozu candle, to close and then initiate the trade. Stop loss will be the low of the Marubozu candle, so this is the stop loss, and do not exit till there is an exit signal. And in the above case, after a shooting star is formed, you can exit at the confirmation candle. So this is the shooting star which has formed, and we can take an exit at the next candle because the prices have started to drop. So our exit will be at around 598. Now if we enter a buy trade at 542 and exit at 598, we will be able to make a profit of 56 per share, which is around 10%. So that was all about Bullish Marubozu. Thank you so much.